How to fix the mouse cursor disappearing or not working on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get your cursor showing and responding properly again on your PC. First, try moving your mouse or tapping your laptop's trackpad to see if the cursor reappears on its own. From there, if it does not show up, press the Windows key and Tab at the same time to open Task View. Then press Escape to close it, as this can sometimes refresh the cursor. At this point, if the cursor is still missing, right-click on the Start button and click on Device Manager. From there, expand the Mice and Other Pointing Devices section. After that, right-click on your mouse device listed there and click on Uninstall Device. In the next step, confirm the uninstall, then restart your PC to let Windows automatically reinstall the driver. From there, check if your cursor is now visible and responding after the restart. Once done, if the issue persists, go back to Device Manager and right-click on your mouse device again. Following this, click on Update Driver, then click on Search Automatically for drivers. From here, let Windows search for and install the latest available driver, then restart your PC once more. At this stage, if you are using a wireless mouse, check that it has sufficient battery and that the USB receiver is firmly plugged in. After this, try unplugging the receiver and plugging it into a different USB port to rule out a faulty connection. Keep in mind, if you are using a laptop trackpad and the cursor still does not appear, press the FN key along with the function key showing a trackpad icon, as this combination sometimes accidentally disables the trackpad. Finally, once responding correctly, move your mouse around the screen to confirm the cursor is fully restored and working as expected. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the mouse cursor disappearing on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.